White sky over the southern sea. Friday evening turning gold, blue sky fading into flame. Clouds begin to climb the horizon like the weather knows our name. Down past Bastion Point the tide rolls slow, light falling soft on the bay. Then a white ship cuts the waterline through the last of the day. She left Eden in the afternoon, engines humming deep at low, running south past Mallacoota where the southern currents flow. Southbound past Gabo Lighthouse, burning bright in the setting sun, through the wind and restless ocean where the southern waters run. Carry life and distant stories, moving through the evening tide, while the quiet coast of Mallacoota simply watches her slide by.
Norwegian Spirit on the open sea, 13 depths above the foam. 2,000 travelers chasing horizons, 900 crew far from home. Cabin lights across the water glow against the falling night. A floating town of moving dreams passing slowly out of sight.
Down for Burnie, down in Tasmania, through Bass Strait, shifting grey. Oh, the coast stays dark behind her as the daylight fades away.
Southbound past Gabo Lighthouse, through the fading sunset fire. Every mile this ship keeps moving,
through the wind climbing higher. Carry laughter, hope and stories from 100 lives inside, while the quiet coast of Mallacoota simply watches her slide by.
Saturday rain across the inlet, gray sky heavy on the sea. Wind through Backsphere on that headland where the breakers run free.
Somewhere south that ship keeps moving through the long Bass Strait swell,
toward Burnie lights in Tasmania,
where tomorrow's stories dwell.
2,000 souls behind those windows,
moving through the restless night.
dreams and journeys crossing oceans,
Under distant harbor lights.
everybody tells a story,
Every mile of life untold,
while the southern coast stands patient,
watching centuries unfold.
Sunday morning, Betka River, pressing hard against the sand,
Water rising to the lagoon,
holding breath across